This is one of the darkest manipulation techniques that someone can use to make you fall in love with them. This is very toxic and I don't recommend using it, but I want you to be aware of it.
So she pretends like she's sharing this manipulative trick for awareness, but right in the next video she does another one.
Dark psychological trick to make you the most attractive person in the room at all times.
Because she got a lot of views from this one. Alright, since you help the evil people and the scumbags how to manipulate, I'm gonna help the good people how to protect yourself from manipulation. There's two kinds of attractions, a brain attraction and a real attraction. A brain attraction can be manipulated because it's played with the psychology of a person that was trained onto by society. So for example, with the hot and cold technique she was telling you guys,
where first you need to create a pattern of giving pleasure and validation. Then you need to break it. You need to pull away, be cold, be distant.
An addictive relationship is created. That is not a real connection, it's not real love. It's a chemical attraction like drugs. A real attraction is based on the connection of two people, of the vibe of the two people, of the heart resonance. Alright, so now that I explained to you what the two attractions are, I will tell you how to not fall for the manipulative one and how to be more open to the real one. To not fall for the manipulative one, you have to differentiate between emotions and feelings. Emotions is the thing that the manipulative person tries to pull on. Feelings are real connections, are the real feelings. The way to not be manipulated is to not react to the emotions or the thoughts. That means if that person causes loneliness or anxiety of them being away, you cannot react to that. You cannot give in to that. Because if you give in to that, you create that compulsion, that emotional addiction.
So what this does, it makes the other person insecure and it makes them chase you.
By not reacting to it, you will, one, expose that person, and two, your brain will actually learn how to trust yourself. By not reacting to the loneliness and go do something that you feel connected with, that you love, your brain is literally like, oh, I guess this false game is not important to her anymore. Over time, your brain changes and it's not even worried about that anymore. Then you create a balance inside of you and you can literally differentiate the person where it's like a real connection and someone who tries to play with your emotions. I hope millions of people see this so you don't get manipulated by these suckers anymore.
When you treat someone like shit, it makes their self-esteem go down. And the only thing that can make it go up again is you. So the third step is validating them again. Causing pain in a person makes them form an attachment to you, and it makes you unforgettable to them.